Hey, second grade. Welcome to Phonics and Spelling. Today is Monday, March 8th, 2021. So 2 weeks ago, we focused on the letters AR, which made the R sound. And then last week, we focused on OR and ORE, which make the OR sound. And this week, we are focusing on another vowel with an R. Which vowel do you think it is? ER, which makes the sound. So all 4 of these are letter combinations that we see often in our reading, we use often in our writing. So this is a nice review to help you remember how we spell words. And when we hear that sound, it's most likely than not ER. Now, this ER, we find at the end or in the middle of words. If you would like to write these words down in your planner as I'm going over them, go ahead and take it out and turn to page 85. And also, I just want to point out, plan see that ER? All right, page 85. So go ahead and say the word after me. Even if you're in class, you can whisper say this after me. Father. The father takes care of his daughter. Notice daughter. Did you also hear that? It kind of rhymed because they both end in ER. Over. Over. The lion jumped over the log. Under. Under. The dog laid under the table. Notice if we say these words all together, father, under, over, they all rhyme because they all have that sound at the end. Water. Water. Make sure to drink water every day to stay hydrated. Paper. Paper. Please take out lined paper to write on today. Cracker. Cracker. Please pass me a cracker to eat with this cheese. Offer. Offer. Did you offer to help? Cover. Cover. Snow can cover the grass. Master. Master. You master a skill when you learn to do it well. Herd. Herd. A group of cows is called a herd. So this sounds similar to the word heard, like I heard you say that out loud. That heard is spelled like this. It has the vowel team EA. Heard. I heard that you like chocolate. That is not this word. This herd, HERD, is talking about a group of animals, like a group of livestock, in this case, cows in this picture. Or it can be talking about like a group of people. So when we hear this herd, HERD, we're talking about a group of people or a group of animals. Not to be confused with this herd. Verb. Verb. This is one we know well. Remember that a verb is a word, it's an action word. Remember that verb rap? So this is a part of speech. Germ. This is also one that we know very well. Doctors know which germ can make you sick. So when we use this word, we often use it with an S to make it plural, germs. Remember, any of these words, we can add an S and make them plural to have more than one. All right, so if you didn't during that video, make sure you write your spelling words in your planner on page 85 and also highlight over the words that have that sound, E-R. You can use a crayon, a highlighter, or if you don't have either one, you can circle, underline, something to show that you see this pattern. Also, make sure that you write neatly, take your time, really look at how the words are spelt. Look at which letters should be taller than others. So like in this word, notice my P and my L. Those are tall letters. So make sure that we can tell the difference and make sure they're all lowercase. All right, thank you so much, second grade.